Programming shouldn't be boring. Let's solve a coding game's puzzle today. Hi, let's play and solve a puzzle titled MIME type by Codingame. I'm Anatol and you are watching the good parts of the front-end development. The story tells, so many files, so little time, let tidy things up. This puzzle teaches you associative arrays and hash tables. In this puzzle you have to split string into separate parts, compare them and recognize similar things using a case-insensitive algorithm. You also have to create and use associative arrays and go through a large datasets of elements. I've already mentioned hash tables in JavaScript. In this video, you should watch that first before starting this puzzle. To create an empty array, I use spread syntax. It creates an empty array of specified length and, filled by undefined values, I iterate over them. To create a hash table, I use a reduce method. The reduce method applies a function against an accumulator and each element in the array to reduce it to a single value. The only thing I left, separate a file name from its extension. Keep in mind that the extension of a file is defined as the substring which follows the last occurrence, if any, of the dot character within the file name. Let's dive into the code.
Read a number of elements of the association array and number of file names to be analyzed. Create a function to set a hash table. This table contains a title as a key and MIME type as a value. Now create such a table. Print the result. Take each file name, extract an extension, and search for its MIME type, or print unknown. Let's check the results against all test cases. They all are green.
That's pretty easy, isn't it? Next time, let's have a look at stock exchange losses puzzle. My code is available on GitHub. Documentation is available in the internet. Follow the links if you're eager to get more. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel and watch other episodes. Thanks for watching and dive deeper.